Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to remove someone in Monday.com. So, if you're working on a board in Monday.com and you find the need to remove someone, it can be anyone, your ex employee or someone who's not needed on that specific project anymore. You have, many endless reasons. So, in order to remove someone from your workplace or your board in Monday.com, just follow these steps and you will get to know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log in to monday.com. Once when you will be logged in, you will be redirected to this home page where you can see all your boards that you're working on. So you can open any board. You can also see the boards from here as well. These are the boards that you're working on. So I'm going to open any board randomly. So this is a project that I'm working on with my clients. So in order to remove someone, what do you need to do? You need to go here and click on invite. And here you can see the number of people that are working on the board. You can also invite more people by, just give me a second. Yeah, you can also invite more people by writing their email or doing this. Now they are automatically invited to this board and they will be working with me on this board. So, for example, I have to remove one of them. Now, what do I need to do? This is pretty simple. And why I need to remove them? There can be, like I said, endless reasons. They're not needed on this project anymore, or they are fired from the company and there are or ex-employees. So, what do we need to do? We need to just click on this and they will be removed from this board. So this is pretty straightforward, pretty explanatory, and very simple. So that's how you actually remove someone from your board in monday.com. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.